Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about Bomi, one of our students from the Scratch coding classes. Before joining Debe Learning, Bomi was always curious to learn and master coding skills. And today we have Bomi's mother with us, and she will be sharing her experience and Bomi's learning journey. So without any further delay, let's hear from her.
First question to you is that why did you choose online coding or let's say online Scratch classes for Bhumi?
He enjoys coding, and I was looking for a service that'd be able to dedicate time to helping him become better at it.
Why did you choose specifically Debe Learning for his coding classes?
So I did explore other options, but I think I felt more comfortable with the demo session with the teacher that we have now. So it seemed like a good option for us. So he enjoys it. He looks forward to it. He's happy to
Hmm.
get his homework. I think he also enjoys working with his teacher. Teacher is quite
Okay.
patient with him.
Hmm.
Also dedicates to making sure that he understands. We like that she's available to help him even when it's after the class period. So far, it's been a good experience, and we're looking forward to continuing as much as he's interested in coding.
So what is your feedback about the teacher?
Well, she's very dedicated. She's very patient.
Hmm.
We're enjoying her. We hope that she continues to teach us even when we stop doing scratch. She still has the expertise to go on because chemistry between teacher and student is very important. It's almost more important than the content. If they get along well, there's the eagerness to please, which means that child is dedicated, wants to do what
Hmm.
they need to do, and all. So yes, we're very happy with the teacher that we have. Lucky to have her.
Got it. Yeah, that's great. Like if you want to rate Debe Learning on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate?
Right now, solid 9. I don't see why not.
Okay. Okay, that's
Solid
great.
9. I don't see. Communication is good.
Hmm.
The content and learning is good. The
Hmm.
personalization is good. So yeah, solid 9.
Thank you so much for the feedback. Thanks for joining and thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you very much.